Are you guys ready?
All right, well, I'm ready.
Hello, brother. Brother 2.
Brother.
And brother 3. How are you?
Medium.
We're here today for the very first ever 1v1 Rocket League in real life tournament.
Oh, it's on.
It's on. Fetty Potter is the finalist. We know he is the undoubted Drift Trike champion. Is that true?
Yeah.
Is that true?
He's been arguing about it the whole time.
He's been arguing about it, but I think that the viewers know that Fetty is the undeniable champion. Let's just say
Fetty Potter might be the greatest runner of all time, but I'm runner-up. Did I Kanye that? You didn't see our last game?
We'll see. But this is the exact controversy we want because Fetty is the boss. He is Bowser in Mario. And these two are going to compete 1v1 against each other to see who wins to face Fetty in the finals.
And I have designed this 1v1 course myself.
Yes. Everything around here has either a barrier or a wall that a ball will bounce off of.
Yes, the game won't stop.
Yes. So
unless it goes behind the net, which that happens a lot.
So the entire skate park is in play here. So we have a few rules as well.
We have a few rules. So, no hands.
No hands
But
whatsoever.
if the ball hits you in the hand,
yes,
as long as your hands are on the handlebars, it's fair
fine.
game. You can elbow it, and
Okay.
then no getting out of your seat. So
Okay.
if the ball is going for your net and you stand up to block it, doesn't count.
feet are fair game though.
Feet are fair game. You can use them to stop. You can plant them. You can kick kick them with them.
Can you kick your opponent?
No. You could stop them with your wheel. Just try not to do any head-on collisions unless it's 2-2.
So the first round is going to be Nigel versus Uzi. First to 3 wins, and then whoever wins that round goes to play Fetty in the final, and that is also first to 3. Are you guys ready?
I am going this way. Uzi's going this way. That's my goal. That's his goal. Let's do it.
Are you ready?
No!
Are you ready?
Hold on. One more, say that again. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Dang, Uzi's good.
You got long legs. It helps you.
Nigel, that was too easy for him.
Yeah. I'm warming up.
Uzi, how you feeling?
There's candy corn over here. What kind of technique is this? Oh no, oh no.
Nigel, what's going on, man?
I don't know. I played such a better game with Fetty.
We believe in you, Nigel.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh no! Nigel, get back, Nigel! No! Nigel has forgotten how to ride a drift trike.
No. Get out of here. Get out of here. He's got such long legs.
That Mario random encounter though. Woo! This is a workout. People could do this to lose weight. Boy, what are you doing over there?
3, 2, 1,
Oh no! No, that's not.
Oh, it's not in yet! It's not in yet! Let's go!
That's not even fair, man. How did that even happen?
I'm not happy about these games.
Why?
How did I score on you, but I can't score on him?
Because he's a difficult challenge. He got long legs.
Yeah, he does have long legs.
Weaknesses.
He has no weaknesses.
He does, I know them. See, Dana's all warmed up now, though.
Yeah, but I'm actually tired. My legs are tired.
So that was the entry round to see who goes to play Fetty. And now we have the championship round. It is going to be Uzi Walker-Daniel versus Fetty Potter, the ultimate Drift Trike
My head hurts.
Rocket League in real life battle.
Yes.
Yes. So what we're going to do, Uzi. Wait.
I'm doing a ritual. Don't pay it. I'm ritualing over here.
Oh gosh,
All right.
that was scary.
Well, I felt like it worked. So.
See what happens. I can't call it right now because Uzi's defense is amazing, but Fetty's offense, I don't know, man. I really don't know.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
3, 2,
This tree boy going down.
go!
I know the tree boy strategy now.
And the tree's got the ball.
It's a goal. Hello, long time no see.
Wow.
All right. I told you you're going down, tree boy. You're going down, tree boy.
You're going down. Flat pancake guy.
Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, for another round of Rocket League. 3, 2, 1, Rocket League.
Oh, I slid out. I'm not going for that. Go ahead, kick it out of there, tree boy.
What are you doing?
Come on, tree boy.
Good save. Reset. Ooh, it's getting hot in these sweaters.
3, 2, 1,
You're going down, tree boy. Get your brooms out. It's ending in a sweep, tree boy.
3, 2, 1, Rocket League. Oh, clear shot it is!
I was playing that one careless, you know, because I'm up by 2, so I had to see if he missed. Not making the same mistake twice.
3, 2, 1,
No, sorry. Hey, are you good? I ran over your foot and stuff.
Yeah, you ran over my foot, tree boy. Ain't no tree can hurt me here. Oh.
out of your seat.
Ref didn't say nothing, but I done got out of my seat.
Dude, the most epic game ever. Oh!
Fetty's defense.
Defense game is strong.
I hate that guy.
No way!
All right, while we have you here, post-game interview. How do you feel about that? Those 4 intense rounds.
I just told myself in the beginning, I'm not letting this tree boy beat me.
And by tree boy, do you mean Uzi Walker Daniel?
Yeah,
Can you explain that? Why is he tree boy?
He might be tall, but he ain't tall enough to block these
Why do you
kicks.
got 2 mics?
Do you think that your defense skills matched up to Uzi's aggressive attack?
Yeah, after I learned that he was just going for the, the haymakers, I had to switch up my tactics by just playing defense.
By just sitting in the goal, camping.
I'm up here on the hill, champion, tree boy.
You said
he may be tall for everyone else, but I'm above
I'll
you
get
right
to you
now.
in a second.
This is the only time that I can say I'm taller than a tree in this moment.
Okay, well, thank you, Fetty Potter, for that post-game
Thank
interview.
you for reffing.
Congratulations.
I got away with the call that you missed.
Thank you,
I will
you
admit
again.
it.
What
but
call was it?
I did block one of his shots. I stood up, but it wasn't going into the goal.
It's okay.
So-
We're still learning, so thank you for
Thank you.
noticing
Comment
that.
below, please. I really love
All
doing
right,
these.
thank you.
And,
Have a good, congratulations.
thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
And second runner-up, Uzi Walker Daniel. How do you feel after coming so close to victory on this?
Hey, you heard him. He was cheating. He was camping. He set up claymores, just sitting in the corner with a shotgun, Call of Duty style. I'm trying to shoot. He's just camping in the goal. It's hard to score. You hear him first. He said, "I was cheating. I was standing up." It is what it is. I get this kind of stuff happen to me all the time.
You played a very, very tough game.
I had
do you
like-
feel like you're going to win a rematch and have another shot at the title of Drift Trike
Yeah, definitely.
champion?
I'm getting that belt. Yeah, I don't know. I should have made a couple shots. Think I gotta train on the shots a little bit. Then he ain't gonna have nothing for me.
All right. Well, my name is Nigel Jones. This is BBT Channel 3. Tune in. BBT Channel 3.
Oh, I couldn't hold it in, bro.
Well, this is Nigel Jones with BBT Channel 3. Reporting live out here. Phenomenal game of Trike Rocket League. Congratulations, Fetty Potter, the champion, reigning champion. Congratulations, Uzi Walker, the runner-up. Congratulations to that one guy, Nigel Jones, out there somewhere who failed miserably. With that being said, hope you guys like this. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. I'm Nigel Jones with BBT Channel 3. Peace out.
All right, guys, we're super, super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.